Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia X30, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging board using household items. Firstly, remember one rule: no use metal objects to clean the connectors as not to damage your USB charging board and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging board that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Great. Firstly, take the brush in your hand and insert one part of the brush into the connector. Then just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.